Hello everybody and welcome to Free Range Diva, where you will find helpful information to enhance your beauty and wellness routines. You know, good health and beauty start with good food. And lately I have been craving salads, probably because it's been getting warmer. But I want something crisp and refreshing that will give me energy but will still be light on my digestion. So today I'm going to share with you my very own watermelon salad recipe with greens, broccoli sprouts, and feta. It's inspired by the classic recipe from Jacques Pepin that was watermelon, mint, and feta, but I've expanded it a little to include some more green vegetables. This salad is a burst of flavors and textures. It's crispy, crunchy, and a little bit sweet. And I think if you try it, it's going to leave you craving more and more and more. So let's go to my kitchen and create this masterpiece together. Come on. Today we are bringing the restaurant home. The ingredients for this salad include chopped, seedless, juicy, ripe watermelon. We've got broccoli sprouts, cucumber, feta cheese, fresh herbs, lime, all on a base of tender butter lettuce. While I'm assembling the salad, I want to tell you a few benefits of eating watermelon. It has vitamins A and C for immunity and antioxidant protection, magnesium, potassium, plus heart protective antioxidants like lycopene. I'm adding in the chopped cucumber. Watermelon's also 90% water, making it great for maintaining hydration and keeping your skin plumped up and youthful looking. It's rich in fiber, so it's great for digestion, and because it's also low in calories, it can aid in weight loss. Feta's going in next. Feta is a soft, mild-flavored cheese that can be made from sheep, goat, or in this case, cow's milk. And I did come back later and added more cheese. Hello, broccoli sprouts. These are tender shoots of the broccoli plant. They're extremely nutrient-dense and a good source of vitamin C, K, folate, and fiber. Their high sulforaphane concentration makes them a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound, which has been found to be heart protective and to have anti-cancer properties. These nutrients also protect the skin from oxidative damage and promote a healthy complexion. These sprouts have a sharp, herbaceous flavor. They're also really cute. Cheryl, stop eating the watermelon. The watermelon's sweetness is a nice complement to the creamy feta and sprouts. I put in a lot of fresh herbs, basil, and oregano. For the dressing, I put in equal parts of fresh lime juice, balsamic vinegar, which is thick and sweet, and olive oil. I tend to like the acid to olive oil ratio to be at least 1:1. Season with salt and pepper and then shake it up. Each bite is a new and different flavor experience. This salad is both refreshing and satisfying. It's perfect for a light lunch, dinner side dish, and whenever you want to treat yourself to a mouth-watering gourmet meal. Lunch is served. Now, I like to have this with some sort of a grilled protein like chicken or fish or sausage, but cooking is all about experimenting, exploring, and having fun. So feel free to customize the heck out of this. Use ingredients that you enjoy, that you love, because there is no wrong way to have a salad, frankly. I just want you to give it your creative twist. And if you have a favorite salad that you're loving now, or salad ingredients that you like, you know what to do. Put them in the comments. We can all learn from each other. Thank you so much for joining me in creating this watermelon salad today. And if you enjoyed the video and had fun, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your food-loving friends. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a thing here at Free Range Diva. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Mm.